the heart of vacationing on the Outer Banks. Drawn by ocean breezes, sunny shores, generations of visitors have fallen in love with this place and came back time and time again. The town is packed with beach houses, seaside motels, and hotels with a view. One of the main attractions of the island town is, of course, its nearly 12 miles of sandy shores. With more than 30 public beach access points, there's plenty of room to stretch out and enjoy Nags Head's natural beauty. Plus, the beaches are dogs friendly.
Why? Why do you think it's dead?
So I see flies nearby and it's not moving. Wow.
What is it?
It's a dead turtle. Here we see a shoehorse crab shell. There are boutiques, surf shops, and outlet mall and grocery stores. Restaurants serving everything from fine dining feasts to barbecue to casual bites, but always exceptional seafood. And there are fishing piers, parks, and a surprising array of things to do. With its gorgeous beaches, fresh seafood offerings, and kid-friendly attractions, it's no wonder that Nags Head, North Carolina has long been a go-to destination for family beach vacations. Spanning from Corolla to Ocracoke Island, there are a total of 5 different lighthouses on the Outer Banks. At Currituck Beach Lighthouse. This is again in Outer Banks, North Carolina. It's also, if you look for Corolla Beach Lighthouse, you will be here. Entry to this is $10 and there is no online ticket. You have to come and get your ticket here. So we'll go and check and see if there is ticket available. You can go all well the way over
up.
a century old, the Currituck Lighthouse is one of the most popular OBX landmarks and a must-see if you are in Corolla. The Currituck Lighthouse was built in 1875. To reach the top of the 158-foot lighthouse, you'll travel up a spiraling metal staircase, 220 steps. You should not climb if you are afraid of heights. Don't look down. The panoramic view is spectacular. Looking east, the waves of the Atlantic Ocean roll to soar in parallel lines of white. On a clear day, the view to the south extends almost to dock. The Currituck Sound lies to the west, and waters dotted with small islands.
Hey kids, Bukashi, come here. Stay inside the subway, okay? Stay inside the subway.
So you completed. So you get to have a sticker. I climbed Currituck Beach Lighthouse. Currituck Beach Lighthouse. They're all the way up there. Among the 5 lighthouses of Outer Banks, we are covering 4 in this episode. Next, we are on our way to Bodie Island Lighthouse. We are at Bodie Island Lighthouse, and it is located at the northern end of Cape Hatteras seashore. So it's a very beautiful place. If you really want to come here and climb up the lighthouse, make sure you get your tickets ahead of time. Otherwise, you might come in and find the tickets are all sold out. Unlucky for us, we didn't get any ticket, but it's still a very beautiful view. Bodie Island Lighthouse was completed in 1872, standing 150 feet high, and it flashes its beacon 19 miles over the ocean. The lighthouse and the island are a perfect place for families to sightsee. Even if you can't climb the top, a wooden walkway leads through the marsh and out to a dock. That's great for viewing the surrounding water and wildlife. The Cape Hatteras Lighthouse, with its black and white candy cane stripes, is one of the most famous and recognizable lighthouses in the world.
Weighted Ocracoke Island Lighthouse. Light station. We have a lighthouse over there. So this is one of the places you can come and visit. This is an island. You have to take a ferry from Outer Banks, Hatteras to Ocracoke. US 12, State 12. So we'll go and
Ocracoke Island Lighthouse is North Carolina's oldest lighthouse in operation. It is certainly one of the most beloved. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below. We sure appreciate your support. It encourages and motivates us to bring more amazing and exciting videos for you all. Thank you, and meet you soon in our next episode. Till then, goodbye.